Hello guys, in this video you will learn how you can lock cells in Google Sheets. So now right here is my Google Sheet and here's my sample document. To lock or protect your cells, just tap on Data. From Data you can see Protect Sheets and Ranges. And then you can see this option, Add a Sheet or Range. Now we will enter a description. After entering that, we'll need to select all the items that we want to lock. After that, just tap on Set Permissions. You can see right here that you can choose to show a warning when editing this range, or you can restrict who can edit this range. You can also select the option Only You, or you can customize this option. Just tap on Done. Your cells are now protected or locked. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.